video, in the last video, I talked about integration of polynomial function and linear function, which is this. But I told you that we also have different types of function. We have other types of function. If it can be a trigonometric function, it can be a trigonometric function, which is all this. So when you have a trigonometric function, when you integrate cos x, you get what? Sin x. No, when you integrate cos x, you get sin x. That's the point integral of f of x. Now f of x is cos x. So when you integrate cos x, you get sin x. So when you integrate x square x, you get tan x. You notice, if you could recall from differentiation class, when you differentiate, I've proved this for you. Then I said, don't mind them, they made a mistake. The plus 1 is meant to be up. We have done it earlier. So that's why it's good to understand. The plus 1 is meant to be... No. Yes, the plus 1 is meant to be up, because when you add 1 to this power, 1 is meant to be up. I hope I've made myself clear. So in this case, when you have minus cos x, you get sin x. Because when you differentiate cos x, you get minus sin x. So minus times minus will give me plus, which is sin x. So when you differentiate tan x, you get x squared. But when you integrate x squared, you get tan x. Just the opposite. So when you differentiate cos x, you get minus cos x squared x. So which is still the same thing as this. Do you get? So, and we have exponential function, which is e raised to power x. And we have this one too is still like this. No, it's not like this. When you integrate, this is a special type of integration. 1 over x, you have ln x. So from there, so if you look at this question, look at this question. We have root x dx. You just try to make it. The rule of integration is that, though earlier we just did this. But at times there are some that might not, like in integration. When you want to integrate, you try to make sure that they look like all this table that we have here. So when you look at this question, square root of x, to make it look like this, it will be x raised to power 1 over 2. So you notice that it's like that form that we have in that table. So x raised to power 1 plus, what will you do? Add 1 to the power and divide by the resulting power. Let me show you here. So look at it. X raised to power 1 over 2 plus 1. Then all over 1 over 2 plus 1. Then plus c. That is x raised to power 3 over 2. All over 3 over 2 plus c. So when you divide this one by this one, it becomes x raised to power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2